Hey there. Let me ask you something. How are you currently collecting complex project briefs from clients or internal teams? If you work in manufacturing, production, or construction, you already know project briefs are never simple. Multiple product types, different scenarios, attachments, conditional questions, sometimes 80+ fields, just to capture everything properly. Most teams either use messy Google or build long configuration form inside their project tools or manually create tasks after submission. And that is where errors start. Missing data, wrong structure, manual task creation, broken automation. Before you know it, your operations team is cleaning up chaos instead of execution projects. Now, imagine this. A dynamic project brief formed with advanced conditional logic. Clients only, we see what is relevant. Backend stays clean. And the moment someone submits the brief, a perfectly structured project is automatically created inside ClickUp. Parent task, subtask, line item details, all organized instantly. And the best part, it is built using Tally for a smart form, ClickUp for task management, Make.com for automation, all without paying for higher ClickUp tiers. Why not just use ClickUp Forms? ClickUp does have forms, but I didn't use it for two reasons. First, conditional logic inside ClickUp Forms is part of higher pricing tier. I didn't want to pay extra for that. With Tally, I get advanced conditional logic completely free. Second, my project brief has 6 styles. Each style has 8 to 10 questions, that is, 60+ total questions. If I build this directly inside ClickUp, I would not be able to create the custom automation structure I need. So I use Tally for data collection, Make.com to process and transform the data, ClickUp to store and organize submission. Let me show you how this works. As you can see, there are many backend questions here, but they are all hidden by default. We are using conditional logic. There are 2 main scenarios. I have tech packs and I do not have tech packs. If I select one of these options, the form changes dynamically. Next question. As you can see, how many styles do you want? So maximum is 6. If I choose 2, it shows fields for 2 styles. If I choose 6, it shows the same repeated structures 6 times automatically. So when I choose I have tech packs, it shows type of style, quantity, target cost, tech pack attachment, reference sample link, and notes. Then it repeats the same structure depending on how many styles I selected. As you can see, I select 6 items, so it generates the same fields group 6 times. Clean, structured, organized. Now, if I choose I don't have tech packs, it shows more detailed questions. For example, type of style, quantity, target cost, reference sampling, fabric or composition, trim type, artwork type, colors type, and any notes. Again, repeat it based on how many styles I selected at the beginning. If I choose 3 styles, it shows this block 3 types. If I choose 6, it shows it 6 times. So no unnecessary questions, no confusion, fully dynamic. So now let me submit a project brief for 2 products. I fill up the form. Now I will click submit, and this is where the real magic happens. Let us jump into ClickUp. As you can see, a new parent task has been created automatically. The parent task name is the brand name. Underneath it, subtasks are created automatically for each style, 1 style per subtask. Inside the line item details view, you can see each subtask contains only the data related to that specific style. No mixing, no manual sorting, no copy-paste work, everything structured perfectly. Now let me explain the automation layer. When the form is submitted, Make.com receives the webhook data from Tally. If there are attachments like TechPack files, we use a HTTP modules inside Make.com to capture and properly download those files because the URLs from Form Tools are temporary. So the HTTP modules grab the files, process it, and prepare it to upload into ClickUp correctly. After that, the real magic happens with ClickUp modules. We use create parent tasks, filter to separate scenarios, take back versus no tech pack. Create subtask module dynamic for each style. Custom fields are mapped carefully. Line items are structured properly. Attachment are uploaded directly into the correct subtask. Everything is handled automatically based on the number of styles selected. Zero manual structuring needed. So the system highlights this, mainly the advanced conditional logic, free with Tally, HTTP module, to properly capture attachments, dynamically looping with Make.com modules, ClickUp task and subtask auto creation, filters to handle multiple scenarios, clean structured line items, no need for higher ClickUp plan. So the key outcomes are no messy forms, no manual task creation, no missing attachments, clear. Separation between styles, scalable project intake system. This works perfectly for manufacturing companies, garment production, construction production, custom product businesses, any company handling complex briefs. The result is clear. Instead of chaos, you get structure. Instead of manual processing, you get automation. Instead of messy submissions, you get a clean project system ready for execution. This is not just a form. It's a fully automated project intake engine built with Tally, ClickUp, and Make.com. If you found this useful, follow for more automation and system design breakdowns. If you would like us to build a structured project intake and automation system for your company, visit Camel Tech and send us passes. Let us build a system that remove manual work and help your business scale.